Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this. It would probably almost trace, but they asked how to draw it. And I really had to play around with it a little bit. But I started thinking, this is kind of like a half a circle, half a circle. So let's take the 3-point curve line, draw a line, and then hold down the control button and get a half a circle or about. Doesn't have to be perfect. Ironically, if you control D and rotate it 120 degrees and then control D, you get kind of that shape. Now we're pretty far off on the nose, so I could have made my circle longer. But if you will take all these and then select them with your shape tool and grab all the nodes and go up to Windows, Dockers, and join curves, and I've got mine set like on 2 inches and hit apply, you've got that shape. Then you can do anything with it, make it a 24-point line and make it a little smaller. And I don't know if they need that color, but you can very easily change that color by going to the color eyedropper tool and take a sample and pour it in there. Let's actually put a yellow background on it. It's not as dull as that one, but I don't know, they probably don't even need this, but that's pretty close. I mean, even the same thing, theirs is a little bit wider so you could play with it and have a little bit bigger circle. I'm going to break this video down to two because I'm going to show you this is a little bit more difficult to get it like this, but it once you have that done, it's pretty easy. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody, and especially the person I'm helping, and thank you for watching.